Yo, welcome back. She gotta feed me kicks, man. Quick pickup. Appreciate everybody once again for subscribing to the channel. Views are starting to pick up. Like I said, my intentions were not to turn this into a sneaker channel or things like that. I just so happen to enjoy sneakers, but I do a podcast. So today, I'm recording from the podcast couch. Oh, y'all make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button, man. Check out some of the episodes. Like I said, the podcast, of course, is on YouTube. Can be found on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts. Y'all go check that out, man. My latest episode was on the whole Ja Morant fiasco. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts, man. Y'all go check that out. But my last sneaker video was the Lebron 20 Liverpool. Definitely appreciate all the love on that video. And as I stated, you know what I'm saying, like the LeBron 20, man, it's a unique sneaker in terms of performance and basketball. I see a lot of people gravitating towards that shoe, and I get it. I get the whole Kobe comparisons and things like that. But you got to think, man, it's like right now, the younger generation, they like that low-cut sneaker. The LeBrons have always gotten that rep of, oh, they're too big, they're bulky, they're heavy. You also got to think, man, dude's like 6'9", 250, 260. He's a bigger guy. Plus, for the most part, he's a forward. So you need a shoe that's durable. It's going to hold up. But like I said, times have changed. A lot of, guard plays, shifty plays. So players are wanting a more low to the ground shoe. So that's what made Kobe's, extremely popular. And if you notice, a lot of sneakers are going towards that look now. I mean, you can't forget the KD 4s. You know what I'm saying? So the LeBron line, in my opinion, they had no choice but to adapt with what the people want. A lot of people say he's biting off Kobe's and things like that, but it's like, okay, at the end of the day, it's a business. You know what I'm saying? So if you have your product and you're trying to make sure it sells, and LeBron is a top shelf athlete, then you got to find the best of both worlds. So I feel like they've done a great job with the LeBron 20. My biggest complaint is the colorways. Like, I believe it was one that came out today. It's like a bright orange and purple and got all, like, I'm a grown man, so it ain't too many, places that I can go and pull off this big bright orange shoe. And I feel like the LeBron line can do a better job of giving us more neutral colors. But I get it. I feel like, in my opinion, they're trying to cater to the younger crowd. More kids are hooping these days. So these are the biggest consumers. So why not give them things that's going to draw their attention? But anywho, like I said in my last video, man, the black and red colorway was the one that I thought was going to sit. And I was hoping to catch that one on sale. But I've been trying to hunt that down for the longest. And every store I've gone into, sold out. So I finally broke down and took the StockX route. I know right now StockX gets a bad rep, but certain shoes I'm willing to gamble. So here we are, black and red, LeBron 20, or the Trinity, Miami Heat. Said by now, it's tons and tons of videos on the internet of this particular colorway. A lot of reviews, performance reviews. But like I said, man, these are super dope. The laces are 3M, swoosh 3M, and that's what I love, man. To me, I feel like this is a everyday sneaker. Can't go wrong with black. I said my son actually has a pair. He played ball this season, I mean. And every time he had his on, dude, I was like, man, them is dope. So I've been on the hunt for these. And unfortunately, for size 12 and up, everything is over retail. But luckily, I had a discount code. So I got these for a couple of bucks under retail. But by the time you add in all them fees and stuff, man, oof, wasn't too bad. But anyways, like I said, man, I just want to do a quick shot. LeBron 20, Trinity. Tell you, man, LeBron. I'm curious to know where they go from here with the next model. Because it's almost like you got to stay with a low top based off the success of this shoe so far. And I'm really hating because a lot of the college PEs and things, man, they went with just your basic colors, man. That Ohio State color is fire. The Akron with the navy, those are dope. But anyways, man, the most important part, y'all go hit that like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out the podcast, man. I Respectfully Disagree podcast. Who did you help win today? Hashtag support the homies, man. Y'all go check me out on Instagram at Feed Me Kicks. Until we meet again, we out.